Dive. Dive. Dive and forward. Hindi kaya?
Medyo hirap sa power eh.
Yes. Ayun, nakadive na siya. Oo. Hindi balance eh. Ilili ko mo, i-thruster mo. Left, left.
Ayan eh, full depth.
Yan.
Full depth na yan eh.
Okay. So, forward and dive. Forward and dive. There, dive. Oh, lalim na. Papas mo lang. Forward and dive.
Ayaw ah.
Ay mag forward and dive. There's a submarine. Oh, parang hito, di ba? Parang hito. Oh, yan, liko. Forward.
Ayaw pumorward. Ayun. Ayan, forward na yan.
Ako, naubusan na yata.
Ayaw mag-respond eh.
Forward.
Ayaw yan. Wala. Alang response.
Nako.
Zero response.
Hindi ka naubos ng battery.
Yan lang.
Battery.
Hindi, out of range lang siguro. Ayan.
Range lang pala.
Range problem lang. O, sige, forward.
Ayun.
Dive. Oh.
Wala.
Yan no, forward konti. Pop. Yan. Sige nga, liko mo ulit, liko.
Liko.
Parang hito, no? Yan.
Tapos
Dive.
diving.
Pag malalim, i-release mo lang para ma-maintain altitude. Yan. Dive. It's now dive. Forward. Yes. Okay.
Yan, periscope lang ah.
Dapat periscope depth.
Kaya nga eh.
Periscope depth.
Maintain ah.
Hindi, tama lang. Skill speed eh.
Ligo natin, baka mawala natin sa range eh.
Now the submarine is turning.
Walang sa range. Hindi na range niya. Pero parang nagsasubmerge yung point ah. Ganyan ba talaga yan?
Oh, ganun yan eh. Sige, forward. Dive mo. Dive.
Periscope depth.
Yan, periscope. Maintain periscope depth. Maintain periscope depth. Yan lang, oh. Then stop, then
Wala ng ano, ng control.
anon?
Nagdadive. Kasi nawawala.
Sige, liko mo.
Turning muna.
The submarine now turning left to the left. Okay, forward. Dive. Maintain periscope depth. Yan. Maintain periscope depth lang ha. Pass mo ulit.
Nawala ng control eh.
Nawala ba control? Sige.
Minsan erratic eh. Minsan nagko-control, minsan ayaw. Yan, tulad yan ah.
Maintain periscope depth. Oh. Right mo na, right. Then yes. Hindi, mukhang tama lang speed niyan eh. Yan. Dive. Oh, pulse mo lang yung ano. Submarines fully dive.
Fully submerged.
Yeah, fully submerged.
Tapos, nakatuloy.
Really? Kaya mo ba ano, i-maintain fully submerged? Ipapapulse mo lang?
Baka hindi mag-recover eh.
Hindi, magre-recover yan.
Ayan o.
Ayan. Yan, periscope depth. Periscope depth.
Hirap i-maintain.
Yeah.
Hindi mo na gana yung clear ng
Hindi, okay.
araw.
Alam mo dito ang idea, ano yung laro ng submarine eh. Submarine is turning right. Okay. Okay, forward. Okay, mo maintain periscope depth. Then stop, stop. Then pulse. Pulse depth. Yan. Pulse ulit. Umakit na. Yan, pulse mo lang ulit. There. Release.
Okay.
Pulse mo ulit, pulse. Pulse mo ulit. Liko mo na dito, baka malayo na.
Layo na. Baka hindi na makontrol.
Okay, turn left. There. Left.
Parang lumulubog yung puwit
Okay. Okay, maintain mo ng gano'n ha. Galing no, parang realistic no.
Ayaw mag-control.
Forward. Forward and depth. Yeah. There, forward.
Baby rope sa right. Yan ako.
Dive mo, dive.
Yan ako muna, right turn ko muna.
Okay. And dive. Ayan. Maintain periscope depth. Yan ha. Maintain periscope depth. Papals mo lang yung yung dive. Yan. Galing no? Okay, maintain mo ng periscope depth.
Wala nang control.
Ikot ulit.
Erratic ang
Alright, right. Right thruster. Ayan namili ko Hindi lang balance eh. Sige. Yan Ganda Periscope depth lang
turning right.
Yan pwede pala eh. Pwede pala sabay eh.
Submerge.
Yan.
Fully submerged.
Fully submerged.
And
Rise. Sige. Fully submerged. Yan, maintain mo lang yan maintain. Maintain.
Ayaw mag-respond. Ayun.
Galing Okay.
Going fully submerged. Yep.
Yeah, fully submerged sa submarine. Right ulit, right.
Tagal din pala na runtime nito. Turning right.